Well, hello everybody and good morning. Welcome to my first ever vlog. I have never done one before, so if I'm doing it wrong, let me know. I don't really know how it's supposed to go. So today I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning, not because of my own initiative, it's because my little baby decided to wake up at 4 o'clock and now he's fast asleep and the other one is washing his cars. That's his favorite activity. And I decided to do some vlogging. I wanted to try what it's like. It's absolutely gorgeous outside today. So my plan for today is to do some editing work outside while the baby is sleeping. But before I go outside, I wanted to share with you what I received in the mail yesterday. Yay! Alright, so I received some jewellery making supplies. And then I received some clothes. Ugh. Let's look at the little parcel first. How am I supposed to open this box with one hand? How do you do it, vloggers? Shall I just put the camera down? Maybe that's a good idea. That's an excellent idea, actually. Let's use both hands. Ooh. What's gonna be inside? There is some stuff. There you go. It's not just an empty package. Who would have known? Right, I'm just gonna take this out and show you what's inside. Oh, by the way, my little boy just finished washing one of his cars. Look how beautiful and shiny it is. It's quite an old car, but it's his favorite. So, yeah, this is how good he is. He can wash cars. There. Now let's look into the package. So, all these bits and bobs are from a company called The Curious Gem. It's the first time I ordered from them, and let's see what we've got. So for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I just want to point out that I actually started to learn how to silversmith. So most of these items are for setting stones in general. So I just want to show you what they are, quickly explain how they work, and let's have a look at the quality as well, shall we? Right, let's start with these. These are prong settings, and they are for setting pointed back stones. So it looks like a crown. Got two different sizes. So then I've got some tube settings in different sizes. I've got 3mm, 4mm, what else? 5mm. And then I've got another 4mm, but this one is not as high as all the other ones. All these are sterling silver, and then I've got one which is 4mm gold filled. And then I've got these tiny little bezels, again sterling silver. Okay, so then I've got some labradorite stones, and these are actually pointed back and faceted. Cubic zirconia or CZ stones. I ordered two amethyst stones. They are very beautiful. They're cabochons and faceted, and one of them is 6mm and one of them is 4mm. And the last one is amazonite, and this one is a cabochon. Oh, look, you can see it much better here. Right, so these are all the things from The Curious Gem, and I think I'm gonna order from them again because they seem like a good company. Okay, so let's have a look at the clothes. It's been a while since I ordered something for myself, or at least something new, because I usually order from eBay. And I don't even mind. You can find some right bargains and some treasures on eBay. Ooh, look. Hey, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, cool. Okay, thanks, darling. What's inside? What is it? Oh, ooh. I see, it's a top.
Mommy, are you sure it's big enough for you, baby? You sure?
I think so. Oh, it's so soft, this. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Again, I never ordered from this company before. I hope it's not gonna be too low, because I don't have much to show.
Let's open it.
Let's open it, and let's see.
How shall we open it? Do you think?
Oh, maybe with scissors. There, yeah.
Here?
Mm-hmm. But these scissors are blunt. Wait. And now I'm just gonna rip it. Oh, maybe we're not gonna rip it.
I'm gonna just hold it. Very strong.
Oh my gosh. Right, I think we can get it out now. You know what? I just found out there's something else in this bag. There. So I think... Oh my gosh, this is again so soft.
But it's like that one.
It's like the other one, yeah.
Yeah, but I saw you will fit on this one.
Oh, come on. It will.
This one.
Oh, wow. Look at those sleeves.
What is the sleeves? You need sleeves on this side. Do you have only one hand?
No, I've got two hands.
Where's the other sleeve?
Did you find it? Well done.
Do you have one hand?
No. So this is the first stop. And I absolutely love it. The cleavage is quite low, but it's alright. And the sleeves are like princess sleeves, which is something I really like. Who doesn't want to be a princess? There. I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna order another 4 or 5 of these. This is the second top. Oh, I love polka dot. There. And again, it's quite low, but not too low. It's not a dangerously low. That's the back. And these are the sleeves. And the sleeves really make this top, in my opinion. I don't really know how to wear them, but I'm guessing like this. Just put them on and not do anything. This is the last stop, and I think it's really flattering actually, and slimming. Good one. I'm liking this dress as well. Alright, so now we're gonna go outside with my little boy and we're gonna have some... What are we gonna have?
Ice lollies.
Ice lollies! Woohoo! He's wearing the beautiful top.
Yeah.
We are like twins. Let's go into the garden. I think it's time for another snack. I'm also going to be sorting through some of my gemstones and pointed back stones. So I'm gonna take you with me. I absolutely love this one because it's shiny. You know me, it's shiny. It's my favorite. I mean, this is so simple, but let me show you what it looks like when it's on. You could wear it just like that. I bought this absolutely gorgeous Labradorite cabochon. It's breathtaking. It's sparkly inside. Let me show you. It's a little bit of a sparkle. Oh, maybe I won't show you. I would like to show you. And I also bought some stones from Bet's Metal Sales. I bought quite a lot of stuff from Bet's Metals and everything is excellent quality and they shipped everything really quite fast and very happy with my purchase. So I bought these gorgeous amethyst faceted pointed back stones and I think I'm probably gonna set them into some rings again when I learn how to do it. And recently I got quite a lot of cubic zirconia stones, different sizes, mainly clear, because they look like diamonds. And I got these because I'm learning how to set stones. So our baby boy just woke up from his morning nap, so I'm gonna go and sort him out. And then I'm gonna prepare some lunch for me and the boys, and we'll probably just have some fun in the garden because it's so lovely. And I definitely need another cup of tea. I shall make one right now because otherwise I'm just gonna fall asleep. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm chilling on the sofa. It's been such a lovely day, such a lovely afternoon. We spent it with the boys in the garden. They were playing with water and it was just really nice. And I guess they were really tired because they both fell asleep. I also managed to do some chores around the house, which is good. But the main reason why I switched on the camera just now is because something else came through the mail. And I think I know what it is and I want to show you. So let's go and have a look. Oh, also I'm not naked. I've got my bikini on. So don't think I'm filming naked. That would be just inappropriate. Or would it? I'm not gonna film naked, don't worry. I'm not gonna scare you. Alright, let's go. Let's take them out of the parcel. And now I'm gonna wash my hands because that's what I do. So I ordered lots of Swarovski crystals. Flat bags, yay! You know I like those. These are from eBay. I'm hoping they are Swarovski. If they are not, then they are not. I just hope they're gonna be good quality. I really wanted to order some little flat back crystals in different colors, not just white. I can't pronounce it. Peridot. Then I got some blue ones. They're like turquoise. What does it say? Light turquoise. Oh my goodness me. I guessed it right. Or maybe I just remembered. I've got some in color silk. I love this color actually. I wasn't sure if I should order it and I did and I'm so glad I did. It's like a champagne color. And then there is some, I can't remember what it's called. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it really. Or maybe I should. Something like this. I think you can see it through the bag, so I'm not gonna take them out. And the last one, that was the last one. So that was it. Well, hello! So a few days passed since I last filmed the vlog and now I'm gonna start filming a tutorial for you. I just got ready, got my makeup on, my lovely jubbly earrings and I'm gonna be filming in a shed today. Last time I filmed in a castle and now it's gonna be shed with nice Christmas lights on, little fireflies. Whatever they are. And of course I didn't iron it because, well, my makeup is more important than my background. So anyways, I will be making a tutorial on these. These are the cabochons I received from BB Craft and I've got some ideas and a few designs ready. So let's just hope the baby's gonna carry on sleeping and he's not gonna wake up and hopefully I will get it finished. That would be really nice. I also think this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be talking in this vlog, so I'm just gonna say I hope you enjoyed my first ever vlog, and if you did, let me know and maybe I will do another one. I mean, I kind of enjoyed it because I felt connected to you, even though I was just talking to the camera all the time. So yeah, it was definitely fun for me to film. Let me know if you enjoyed it. I would very much like to hear about your thoughts. I'm gonna see you soon. I love you all and have a beautiful, blessed day, and hopefully you're all safe and healthy. And yeah, I love you and I will see you soon. That's what I said. Bye. Hi. Hello everyone. Hi. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi. Hello and welcome to my shed. Last time I was filming in my castle, today is gonna be a shed. Why not, hey? So in my last unboxing video, I showed you all the goodies I received from BB Craft, including these gemstones, and as I promised and since I promised a tutorial on these, I'm coming up with a tutorial on these. So I think we're gonna start with and I think we're gonna start with this one because I like the color. Color. It's pink, but it's not really pink. Never mind. Let's just go. Right. Fingers crossed. All of them. Can you cross all your fingers at once? I can't. Right. How much do we need? That's the question. How much do we need? I now finished the braid and it's approximately 13 centimeters long, which is 5 inches. And next we're gonna bend it in half.